This is a video on how to create branches. So to create the branches, you have to go to the master, and once you go to the master, you have to click on the branches. Once you click on the branches, you will enter the branch name, say Mass Super Garage. Then you will enter the mobile number. I'm going to give this as a mobile number. Then you will give the contact person, Ahmed, and then you would give the complete details over here, the TRN number, address, telephone number, mobile, and email and website. This is an extendable text box. Then you're going to set the city, Dubai, and then you will, if you have VAT, you will set the VAT over here, yes, and then save. If you do not have a VAT, you can set no, and then save this. Once you save, get a successful message, and then you will have your branch over here in the list below. That's how you create the branches in the system. Thank you.